Welcome to Kevin's channel.
Okay, welcome back to the channel today for a new video, guys. I'm going to try and catch some bait. It's just one spot. We caught bait here one time. I think we caught 15 minnows out of here. I'm going to be leaving it for a while today. I got to mow about 3 yards, so that's going to be close to 4 hours probably. I'll come back and check it tonight. It'll probably be dark. It's going to rain for 4 days, so I'm catching bait today. I won't be doing no fishing this evening, but I might be able to tomorrow or the next day. I ain't gonna be able to mow. It's going to be raining, so I'll quit yakking. We'll go ahead and throw it in and see if we can catch some bait. Hopefully we'll catch plenty. Alright, here we go, guys. Tie a rope up over here and let's hope somebody don't find the trap. Alright guys, I don't think you seen me tie it on there. I've moved the camera the wrong way. But this water's looking real yucky. But I seen a bunch of ripples when I walked up, so there's some chub minnows in here. I see some tiny baby ones on the trap over there already. Anyway, I'll quit yakking. I'll go to work and then we'll come back and check the trap. See when we get back up. We got plenty. Okay guys, got my yards mowed and we're back to check the trap. I've done run into a snake here. He's crawled up and under the grass right there. He's still there. I see his tail. I didn't get to see him long enough to see if he's a copperhead or just a water snake. So I'm gonna bounce over through there real quick. But it's already started raining a little bit. That's why I'm catching bait today. It's supposed to rain for 4 days. That's gonna make it hard to catch bait. The creeks are gonna rise. Water's gonna be flowing. So let's go over here, check the trap, and see if we got anything in it. I'm gonna bring it back over here. I don't like having to jump over where the snake just kind of was right there. So hopefully he stays down there. I see the rope and it looks like the bread's gone. We may have a bunch in here. Hopefully. It'd be nice to have a bunch of bait in here. Well, we got 5, maybe 6. That's not what I was hoping for out of 4 pieces of bread. I guess that's gonna have to do. Yeah, there's 6 in there. Hope that snake ain't up here on the bank. I don't mind snakes as long as I know where they're at and what kind they are. Try and get some water in the bucket here. Just playing around in there, jumping around. I can't believe that's all I got out of 4 pieces of bread. We're probably gonna stop somewhere and throw this thing out somewhere. Go check it in the morning. I have to tie it up so that it don't get away from me in a storm. That's the whole idea of it here. Come on now there. Ah, awesome. This one's a bluegill, guys. Oh, he's going to get it. Look how pretty that bluegill is. Oh, he's going to be delicious for a bass. Another small little chub minnow. Here's the biggest fat one. What a fatty. There's another one stuffed with bread. I can't believe that's all we got. I bet some of them swam in there and swam back out. This makes number 6. Barely see them in there, probably, if at all. Anyway, guys, I don't know if I'm going to stop and throw it out somewhere else. If I do, I'll continue the video. If not, I'll just make an outro when I get home or something. So, I'll just go ahead and end it there, and I'll see what I do later. Okay, welcome back, guys. I decided to go ahead and throw out the trap again. We're going to throw it out here by the car lot. Tomorrow being Sunday, hopefully nobody will come over here and steal my trap. There won't be too many people stopping to look at a car anyway, and it's raining, because they stop in there even when they're closed and look around. But anyway, I'm going to throw it down there. I've got it loaded up with 3 pieces of bread. And let's throw it in and see what happens. So, yeah. Now, anybody walks around here, though, they can see it, but there's no reason for anybody to really be over here. So I'm going to hope it's there in the morning. So I'm going to head on the house and get my motor home before it rains. And oh, I almost heard the wreck. I'll see you tomorrow when we come back to check the trap. Alright, well, good morning, guys. We're back to check the trap this morning. It's raining. Supposed to rain all day, so I might as well go ahead and check the trap. I've done kind of peeked at it. It looks like there's 1 or 2 in it, maybe not many, I don't really know. I've seen 1 or 2, looks like. But we've kept the 6. We kept the 6 we caught yesterday alive. They're actually 5 chubs and that 1 little baby bluegill. So I'll go over here and pull the trap in. We got 1 or 2 anyway. Hopefully a lot more than I can tell. Oh yeah, a lot more than I thought. We got a whole lot in here, guys. The real big one, he's going back. The 2 big ones are going back in. I'm not trying to catch no catfish today. Put you over here, I'm going to throw them back in. I leave them big ones till I want some catfish. I go over to the pay lake. Well, at least it was worth my while sitting it there last night. Look at this big old chub. Get that big guy. I'm going to throw his fat butt back in. So that's 1, but he's going back. Here's the other one that's going back. Here's it so fat. Well, I'm not fishing the catfish, I'm putting them back. There's a couple in there. There's a different type of minnow in there. This minnow here, he's different than the rest of them. I ain't even never seen one of these. You comment below what kind of minnow this is, you can tell. I mean, it looks like a regular chub, but I think there's two types of chubs. This one's a lot longer. I don't know what it is. Well, it makes a good bait, but he's a different one, so I don't know. So we stowed two back, so he makes number 3. This is the fattest one I catch. 4. That's number 5. I think this is a different type of chub minnow too. I'm catching both types, I guess. Is that 5? Okay, I'm grabbing on a couple at a time now, guys. 6, 7. 8. Starting to rain harder too, I better hurry up. I can't get a hold of it. 9. 10. 11. Well, I'll get soaked now, bro. 12. Oh yeah, I'll get soaked. Wow. 13. 14. 15. Got away. Can't pick them up. Come on, buddy, slip. Jump in my hand. I'm trying to put the tail up there, yeah. I got to throw the chub in my hand. I'm wanting to show you the comparison of them here. He just keeps sliding. I can't get him off the ground. Let me buy your tail, buddy. There we go. Alright. See how this one's all nice and blue? Well, you might not see that on there, but he's all nice and blue, and he's dark. He's just got a dark streak and longer. I forgot how many it was. I think it was about 14 or 15, 16, 17. And 19. So, we caught a lot that time. That was great. So we got about 25 baits in there. So they ain't got enough water. So I'm gonna change the water, and then I'll change the water so that they don't die. And put more in there as well. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to get out of the rain. I'm so getting wet. That'll be okay. Let's get in here and let the rain pass by. But thanks for going bait fishing with me today. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Helps so much more than you know. Anything will be appreciated. I might make a fishing video today. It's raining so much, maybe not. I'll probably try it. I just probably won't catch nothing. But anyway, thanks for going bait fishing with me, and I'll see you next time we go bait fishing. Thank you. Have a great day.
Have a great day.